Yama can be interpreted as attitude or behavior. It deals with one's ethical standards and sense of integrity. Patanjali's Yoga Sutra mentions 5 different yama, that is, behavior patterns or relationship between the individuals and the outside world. The 5 prescribed yama. First one is ahimsa. Meaning of ahimsa is harmlessness. The word ahimsa literally means not to injure or show cruelty to any creature or any person in any way whatsoever. Ahimsa is, however, more than just lack of violence as adapted in yoga. It means kindness, friendliness, and thoughtful consideration of other people and things. It means not thinking negative thoughts about others or even ourselves. Now, students, just reading about ahimsa is simply step 1. So the next time when you're doing your asana, it's best to practice ahimsa. This also means non-violence towards your own body. You can start by letting go of thinking negatively about your body, accepting yourself as the way you are. It's about not competing with anyone in yoga class. That means not overdoing an asana which may potentially harm yourself. This thinking can easily extend to the master class, which is life itself. If you're a yoga instructor, it means guiding and instructing your students to do the same. Ahimsa means letting go of your ego and completely accepting who you are. Ahimsa can be practiced in your diet as well. It can mean being a vegetarian or perhaps a vegan. Now, students, personally, I am a non-vegetarian and I prefer it that way because my body takes it well. Although I try eating grass-fed animals, products mostly which are fair trade, and eat vegetarian food 3 to 4 times a week. But this is the best I can do in this phase of my life. And no one is perfect, nor yoga wants you to be. You need to really customize it based on your own values and beliefs. Lastly, ahimsa also has to do with our duties and responsibilities. It could even mean that we must fight if our life is in danger. Ahimsa implies that in every situation, we should simply adopt a considerate attitude. The next yam is satya, truthfulness, and we shall discuss that in the next lecture.